You know that feeling when you're scrolling through endless make money online videos, getting hyped, then just nothing? Yeah, I've been there. For years, actually. Trying everything, getting overwhelmed, and just feeling stuck. Honestly, it felt impossible to break through the noise and actually see some real cash coming in. But what if I told you that in just 30 days, I actually did it? I hit $1,000 starting from scratch with a pretty simple method that literally anyone can replicate. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I pulled it off, step by step. So, when I looked into this, I realized the biggest mistake I was making was overcomplicating everything. I stopped chasing the next shiny object and decided to focus on one tiny thing, creating a simple, valuable digital product. Not a full course, not some complex software. I thought, what's a small problem I can solve for someone right now? For me, it was a beginner friendly guide to setting up a specific social media profile for small businesses. It was just a PDF template and a short checklist. The goal wasn't perfection, it was just launching. Then came the actual work. I spent maybe a week creating the content, keeping it super concise and actionable. I listed it on a platform that made selling incredibly easy, requiring almost no technical skills. Gumroad, actually. And here's the thing, I didn't have a massive audience. So, how did I get sales? I started sharing it in niche online communities where people actually needed this specific solution, genuinely offering help. The surprising part is my first few sales came from total strangers who saw the value. That's when I knew this could actually work. Once those first few sales trickled in, it gave me a massive boost. I started getting feedback, which helped me tweak the product slightly and even create a tiny upsell, just a bonus spreadsheet. I doubled down on sharing it in relevant places, and honestly, the momentum just built. I tracked everything, saw what was working, and by day 28, I crossed the $1,000 mark. It wasn't about some secret hack, it was about focused effort on a genuinely useful, simple product. The real takeaway here isn't about replicating my exact product. It's about finding one small problem you can solve, creating a simple solution, and then getting it in front of the people who need it. Seriously, stop overthinking it. Just pick one thing, make it, and put it out there. You might be shocked at what happens when you actually commit. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. I'm sharing more practical strategies like this every week.